during her elementary grades. She had a high school and college at the University of Nerva, Cáceres, and master's degree at the same school. As a student, she was a resident scholar and a Dean's Lister. A major in science, she has been awarded as the regional outstanding science teacher. At present, she is the education program supervisor in science, DepEd Naga City. Once again, a round of applause to Maria Belen Q. Lurcha.
Thank you very much for the introduction, which I hope will serve as an inspiration to our dear young children. So siguro at this point, I will have to face first our completers because you are there. Now anyway, before I start the ball rolling, my warm